the Yealink W60P. In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the handset and button locations. At the top of the device is your display screen, while the bottom of the device is reserved for your navigational arrows, keypad, and physical speakerphone and voicemail buttons. There's also a physical volume control. While the device is idle, you can press left or right on the navigational arrows to lower or raise your ring volume. Using these buttons while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using via handset or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, the handset number and extension number, as well as the signal range, current battery life, and feature notifications like voicemail and do not disturb. The two buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to call history and your available phone lines provisioned to the handset. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad and press the green call button or the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information such as the dialed number and call duration will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while in your conversation. While on a call, you can start a separate call by pressing the new call soft key, dialing the number for your second call, and pressing the green call button. To answer an incoming call, simply press the green call button or the speakerphone button to start the call on your preferred medium. Again, call information like the caller ID and duration are made available in the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your conversation. To answer a call waiting, press the down arrow on the navigational pad to select the call waiting and press the accept soft key or the green call button. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by pressing the swap soft key. While on a call, you can place a caller on hold by pressing the option soft key and selecting hold. The call is immediately placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID and call duration. To pick the call back up, press the resume soft key. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. While on a call, press the option soft key and press the OK button on transfer. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer the call to and press the green call button to call out to the second party. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer soft key and the call will immediately be connected to your second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. While on a call, press the option soft key and then press the OK button on transfer. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer the call to and press the transfer soft key. The call is immediately transferred to the second party. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together, granting a three-party call. While on a call, press the option soft key, then navigate to conference and press the OK button. The initial party is placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension, press the dial key, and wait for the new party to answer the call. Finally, press the conference soft key to merge the two calls. You can end the conference call by pressing the end call soft key. If a caller needs to hold for a user that is not currently at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily park the call to allow them to pick it up from any device on the account. To park a call from a handset, simply dial #7. The call will immediately be placed on hold on a virtual extension, and the operator will announce the extension number the caller was parked on.
Call parked on extension 980.
Now any user can simply dial the park extension number to immediately pick the call up on their device. The call history stores records of all calls made and received to this device. Press the History soft key from the idle screen to access the call history. Using the left and right arrow keys, you can navigate between all missed, placed, or received calls. You can redial any number from the list by using the arrow keys to select the call and pressing the green call button. You can also add a history call as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys and press the Option soft key. Navigate to Add to Local and press OK. Then select New Entry and press OK again. Select the type of number, being Office, Mobile, or Other, and press OK. Finally, edit the name and any other contact information and press the Save soft key. To access the directory, press the down arrow on the navigation pad. Any contacts you've added to the device will be listed here, and you can select the contact and press the green call button to quickly call out to the party. You can also press the Option soft key and select a new contact to create a new directory listing at any time. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers to your Follow Me Forward settings, press the OK button to access the menu. Then navigate to Call Features and select Do Not Disturb. Select the line and the handset. Change the entry to Enable with the right arrow key and press the Save soft key. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the idle screen. To turn off Do Not Disturb, go back into the menu, Call Features and Do Not Disturb, and use the arrow keys to disable the setting and press the Save soft key once more. You can set call forwarding on your device at any time. Press the OK button to access the menu. Then navigate to Call Features, then Call Forward. You have 3 forwarding options. Always Forward will immediately forward all calls received to this device to the number you entered. Busy Forward will forward any calls you reject to the number you entered. By default, rejected calls from your device will automatically forward the caller to your voicemail. No Answer Forward will forward any calls you miss while idle or on a call to the number you entered after your specified ring time. By default, your unanswered calls are forwarded to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will see a note on the display screen advising you of how many new voicemail messages you have. This note will stay visible until you press the View button to access your Messages and Calls window, or press Exit to clear the note. To check your voicemail, press the Voicemail button on the device. Navigate to your line and press the Select soft key to dial out. When prompted, enter your PIN to access the voicemail box, where you can listen to your voicemail messages or edit your outgoing greetings from the automated voice menu.